What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today I'm going to put to the test popcorn machine gadgets. Spring break vacation is coming, everybody excited, so I got an awesome game for you to check it out. War Robots. As many of you already know, it is a 6 vs 6 multiplayer with the heavy need of a good strategy. I love that you can play 3 different robots in one battle, so you can define your own gameplay. It has some of the best 3D graphics I ever seen, and 70 million of you already playing this game. There is always new updates, new robots, new maps and new game mods. Install War Robots now and get a huge starter pack of Vitiaz robot, 1 thunder weapon, 2 pinata weapons, 100 gold and 400,000 silver. This popcorn machine uses hot air popcorn. So what you do is open one up and pour a bunch of popcorn in there. I guess there is a line, so you put it to the line. I'm not gonna make too much popcorn, just enough. And then you close these things up, just like that. And then you put the bowl on. And I think you're supposed to open up this thing right here, so the hot air can escape. Alright, let's plug it in and see what happens. Definitely a lot of hot air coming out right now. If you look inside there, I can see all the popcorn kernels are flying around. Let's see what happens when they start popping. Alright, there you go. They're starting to pop. There you go, man. I love the noise of popping popcorn, don't you guys? Let's see what happens once it starts overflowing inside of the popcorn chamber. That's so cool. Whoa, look at that, it's just opening it up. Wow, look at that, that's so amazing. So why is there a metal piece right here? So the popcorn kernels are stay inside in the beginning. And once popcorn starts popping, as you can see, it opens up and all the popcorn falls out. Wow. This is such a genius idea. Let me show you in a second why this popcorn maker is so amazing. Sounds like we popped everything. Couple more still popping. Okay, that sounds like it's done. There's a couple more stragglers still popping, but that's okay. For the most part, sounds like it's done. What's the coolest part about this popcorn maker? You put the lid back on it like this, and then you flip it upside down, alright? There you go. You flip it, and then you open it and shake all the popcorn out. Boom! How cool is that? And you don't even need a bowl. You got a bowl right here. Wow! Honestly, I have never seen a popcorn machine that turns into a bowl. So you go sit by the movie and eat it out of the bowl. So none of the popcorn flew anywhere on the floor. Definitely delicious popcorn. You can also add some kind of flavor to it or butter, whatever you want. I really like hot air popcorn machine because the popcorn is fluffy and it's not smothered with butter, so it's healthier. For the next 2 popcorn machine, this is Air Crazy and this is Stir Crazy. This is, I think, the same company that makes the popcorn, but this one uses oil and this one hot air. Let's see how they work and what they're all about. Okay, I guess it goes like this. Boom. And then where's the plug? Right here. And it looks like it's all the same. Right here is a bunch of balls that pops out. Cool. I'm pretty sure this one needs a little bit of oil. Yep. And then we're going to put a small layer of popcorn. Nothing too crazy. A bit more oil. I'm pretty sure all that supposed to be oiled up together. Now we're gonna close it and turn it on. See what happens. Oh, cool. It just spins it like that, that's it. There's one disadvantage I don't like about oil popcorn maker. It makes popcorn quite a bit longer than the hot air popcorn maker. Looks like it's heating up. You see all that is becoming foggy. Smells really good. I love the popcorn smell and oil. There you go. Check this out. You see how oil is spraying everywhere, but it's okay. It's catching it all in a bowl. Wow, look at that. No way, that's so cool. I really do think I put a little bit too much oil. Oh my gosh. Maybe cover this up so oil doesn't spill off from there. Oh my gosh, that's insane. Whoa, what is happening? I love popping popcorn sound. I can sleep to it. Please somebody make 10 hours of popcorn popping so I can just listen to it. Wow, I love how those little metal sticks actually spinning the whole popcorn machine. That's so awesome. No way, look how well it's spinning. I don't hear anything popping anymore. So I'm gonna turn it off, close it. And once again, might be hot. I might have put too much oil in there. I'm gonna unplug it so it's easier to take it off. Okay, the bottom might be hot, so be very careful. Wow, amazing. None of the popcorn have burned. Some of it got stuck, so you'd have to clean that up when it cools off. But wow, this is awesome. Look how beautiful this popcorn is. Hot air popcorn. Tastes good, fluffy. And this right here, oil popcorn. Tastes good, fluffy. I don't taste a lot of oil on it. Tastes very equally. So might as well eat the healthy kind. But you be the judge. Which popcorn do you like better? Oh wow, this popcorn machine is amazing. What it is, you're going to open it up, and right here there's a little compartment in here. You're going to fill up your popcorn, let's say the whole jar. Look at that. We need another one. That's why I bought so many, because I knew we were gonna do a popcorn gadgets. You see, you can fill it up all the way to the top. Then you close that, and then you put it on the kitchen counter or the movie theater, and it's like a coffee machine, ready to make a popcorn at any time. Let's see how it works. What's really annoying about this popcorn machine, the cord is really short. They could have made it a little longer. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. When you press right here, it's going to release from this chamber into there. Let me just show it to you. Boom, do you see it? And there is a line, it says max. So I'm just gonna keep pushing it till I'm happy. Okay, let's do max amount. Then I'm gonna put the cover back on like this. Then you'll need a big bowl because I set it on max. It says pop. Okay, why are you not popping? There you go. You just have to press this thing all the way so it starts popping. And I can see hot air coming out. Let me show it to you close up. And if you look inside of them, hot air blowing at them, and they're going to start popping within minutes. Of course, don't forget to put the popcorn cover in, because if you don't, the popcorn, when it starts popping, will start flying out of the machine like crazy. Wow, look at that. Isn't it amazing? It's just slowly pushing out all the popcorn, so there is no unpopped popcorn whatsoever. Look at that beautiful fluffy popcorn. Oh my gosh. What I would recommend for you to do is kind of watch it and turn it once in a while. Oh my gosh, you see what I'm saying? You gotta keep turning it. And boom. A little bit more left. And you got right here, it finally popped. Beautiful fluffy popcorn, look at that. It's amazing. I love this kind of popcorn. Once again, I love this popcorn machine because it stores all your popcorn in here and you don't have to have another jar sitting somewhere in the storage. Just fill it up, throw away the empty jar, and you're ready to make popcorn at any time. Doesn't take much time at all. I love this machine. Now let's see what this popcorn machine does. What you do is put this in like that. Oh, this is the cover, gonna go like this. It slides in into here. Boom. And right here, I guess you put some butter in here, and that way you can melt it here or something like that. So once again, there's a max line and stuff. You put your popcorn in. That's enough. This is definitely a very unique design as well. And it's also hot air popcorn. And then you just plug it in, and then it's going to start popping. Oh, no, maybe there is on and off button. Okay, let's turn it on and see what happens. All the hot air coming off from here, will any of the popcorn will fly out and we'll lose it? Let's find out. There you go, it's starting to pop. It's the same concept like the other ones, hot air popcorn machines. It's just very different design. Oh no! Look at all those kernels that wound up popped and got into the popcorn. That's not good. Wow, that's a little bit of a fail, but that's okay. Maybe it's only a little bit in the beginning. Nope, I still see a lot of popcorn kernels coming out. Wow, wow, and it's flying all over the floor now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woo! Okay, this popcorn maker make a big mess, and some unpopped popcorn is all over as well. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. All the popcorn have been popped, yep. But what's cool about it, now you can just pull off, and now you can use it as a bowl. Pretty cool, I like it. But there's so much unpopped popcorn on the bottom. Look at this. You guys be the judge. Do you like this machine? And it's also made a big mess on the table and on the floor. I'm not gonna test this one more time because I don't want to make even bigger mess around here. For this popcorn maker, it's just like a pot. You put a little bit of oil in there. Boom. Then we're gonna turn on the heat. And then you're going to add your popcorn in. And look at that, you can spin it and mix it. So when it's going to start popping, we're going to start spinning it. Somehow oil is popping on my hand. I better put like a glove or something so that way it doesn't pop on my hand. Okay, that's pretty much it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I put so much popcorn in there. Look what happening. It's lifting the lid. Stop. Oh my goodness. Wow. Definitely put way too many popcorns. Oh my gosh, I made a little bit of a mess. Made a little bit too much popcorn. So if you don't like popcorn machines, you can just get yourself popcorn pot, and it works really good, as you can see. This is the same hot air popping popcorn, but different. Let me show you what this one is all about. But what's so different about this popcorn maker? There's a little cup right here. You put a little bit of a butter in there, and then it's going to melt it, all that hot air. And let me show you what are we going to do with all that butter after. Okay, all we have to do is plug it in. Same thing, using hot air, it's going to pop all the popcorn. There you go, the popcorn starting to pop. It does make a little bit of a mess because my bowl is way too small. So what I usually do is just hold it like this, so that way it does not make too much mess. Just get yourself a bigger bowl. And once the butter all melted, what we're going to do is just pour it right on the popcorn. Oh yeah, look at that. It's melting a little bit, the popcorn, but it's gonna be so delicious. all that buttery popcorn. That's the good stuff right there. So this is what I use a lot at home. This is how I make my popcorn. But anyways, you guys be the judge. Let me know in comments below which popcorn machine was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.